right, quiz review and quiz tomorrow. Not even a big deal. Chapter 9.1, adding and subtracting polynomials. I just wanted to go over a couple of the problems from this review with you. So like 24, when you have subtraction, it's best, in my opinion, to just make everything after the subtraction the opposite. Because then we don't have to worry about rules like minus, negative, turns to plus. It kind of already handles that. So we'll get, our first stuff doesn't need to change. But we'll make this negative 6y to the third, and we'll stack it under our other y to the thirds. We'll put the plus 3y, we're going to make negative 3y. We'll put it under our other y's. And the minus 3, because it would be minus negative 3, becomes plus 3. And now we can just go straight down with everything. We have 8y to the third minus 6y to the third. There's still y to the thirds, it's just a change in how many there are. So 8 minus 6 is 2, y to the third. We have negative 1y minus 3y. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. So negative 4y. Back here we have 7 plus 3 is 10. This is in standard form, your highest exponent first, then your next lowest, all the way down to the 0. Third degree, first degree, 0th degree. So let's look at 9-2. We'll try one of these together. We'll try number 5 together. So if we were to distribute here, remember you multiply the numbers in front. So this is like negative 5 times 1, which is negative 5. And then with your properties of exponents, remember when you multiply, you add the exponents. So we have x squared times x squared, 2 plus 2 is 4. Negative 5, x to the 4. Now we got to multiply by 2x. Negative 5 times positive 2 is negative 10. X to the second times x to the first would be x to the third. And when you multiply something by 1, it's just that. So negative 5x squared times 1 is just negative 5x squared. It's in standard form, so we're all good. Now, these second problems here are factoring problems. So it says factor them with the greatest common factor. So let's go with 47. You look at the numbers in front first. We have 6, 9, and 27. What is the number that goes into all three of those? 3. So we'll take out a 3. They also have y's. All three of them have y's. And it's like, how many do they all have? They all have at least y to the second power. So we can take that out with the 3. So we're basically dividing all three of these terms by 3y to the second. Or you can kind of think of it like a fill in the blank. We're saying 3 times something gives me 6. And that's 3 times 2. I have y to the second power. I need y to the fourth. So I need 2 more y's. So 3y squared times 2y squared gives us 6y to the fourth. Now let's check the 9y to the third. 3 times 3 would give us the 9. Y to the second times y to the first would give us that y to the third. And then the last one, we have minus, we're looking for 27. So 3 times what gives us 27? It's 3 times 9. And we already have the y squared. We don't need any more y's. So this would be our final answer. Cool. So I'll start the next video and go over a few more problems.